y'all? It's your boy CeeLo, Smoking Metal Car Farm, back again with another video. But just want to say happy Thanksgiving. Make sure y'all go back and check out all my old videos and hit the like button. But this video is a second part of the video of me receiving my pedal box in the mail. I'm ecstatic about it. I can't wait to see how it reacts. You hear the Magnum just out here idling, just chilling. We're gonna go out here. We're gonna install this on the Magnum and see how things go. I ain't never did it before. Something new. Oh, it's nice and toasty out here. My son started my car up. I might have to pause this video and go get my dashboard phone holder. So give me a second and I'll get back with y'all in a hot second, guys. Alright guys, it's your boy back. So just so you know, I'm supposed to be going to the store, but I got interrupted by my wife. I gotta get eggs too. So we're gonna hook this up real quick, make this fast. So here we go. Alright, here's my pedal box, as you guys can see. And they have two harnesses, depending on what fits yours. So this fits mine, 05 Dodge Magnum SXT 3.5 V6. So we're gonna plug this one in and then program the control. I also hooked up the app to my phone as well, so I can control it from my phone. So which is a pretty cool thing. You know, everybody don't have to, but you know, I think I'm gonna try it out, see how it is. So, alright, sorry about that, guys. Honestly, I was in my own world, even though it was beeping. So, being as though my son lost my tripod, we are going to do this by hand. Might looks kind of crazy, but don't mind my floor mats. They need to be cleaned a little bit. So this is the one that goes to mine for the Magnum. Just gotta get it up in there. Get it up in there. Move that one out the way. I know it's kind of, let's see if we get light on the subject. I guess that's how we do that. Okay. So, like I said, this is the one for mine. I'm going to try and show you the original one for mine. This is what was hooked to mine. Acceleration control. So basically you just yeah boy, clip in. Alright, and we hold on, gotta clip the other piece into here, so that way. Hold on one second. As you can see, you clip it into here, so that way you have that side hooked to that. So let me get back to you guys while I use two hands real quick. All right, we are connected. Sorry about that, but yeah, as you can see, we're connected. I just connected it right now. I didn't stuff it up out the way, which I can right there off in the side. And then, later, we will. Gotta get up off the ground, boy. We're running the wires to the pedal box through my console under my steering, so that way we would be able to. Now I can turn you guys back this way. Oh, sorry, we was having little problems, but like the manual say, you. Yeah, excuse me. All right, turn your car to run, as y'all can see. Now, before we get any further into this, just so you know, I do have a lightning a engine light on my car, so it goes in the shop on Monday, so bear with me. So we're gonna still see how it works. Okay, now we're up here. You hold the menu button, the plus and the minus sign for 30 seconds till green light. And red. Alright, now we're ready to tune. Now we're going to slowly press the pedal to the floor so it can indicate now it's blinking white. And complete the tune plus the blinking button for 30 seconds. Sorry. Now it should be green. Everything is now set up. So, now, flash is back on again. Hold on, y'all. Y'all have to work with me. This is a new phone, so bear with me. Excuse me. So yeah, I actually have it programmed to my phone as it says in the manual. So I have not done that to where I programmed it to. I have it programmed, did the email and everything. So then this would be what you have in your phone. Pretty cool. I like it. Y'all gotta excuse me. I do have moments where I mess up sometimes and I stutter. I'm still trying to get used to this YouTube thing, even though I've been doing. It seems like I've been doing it for a while, but we still trying to get used to it. So yeah, now I gotta get my mat off the floor, and we'll give it a test drive to the store, see how it runs. Might like it.